Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here at the Breckwell booth at the HPBA show, and I am here to show you guys the brand new SWF1035 wood furnace by Breckwell. There's some pretty unique features on this unit. It has like no digital control boards, which you guys know I really like the mechanical style design. So I'm going to talk to you guys about some of the features on this particular model. So this is the draft blower that's going to be located on the rear of the unit. This is kind of unique. Most furnaces have them either on the front or on the side of the unit. The draft blower is actually going to be controlled by your wall thermostat. So once you are calling for heat, it's going to kick on your draft blower, which is going to bring that combustion air directly into your firebox. Now you do also have this heat sensor here that's going to get installed directly into your flue. Now this is going to read the flue temperatures. Once your flue temperatures reach the proper temperature, then your rear blower is going to kick on, which is going to push that heat out through the ductwork. So that way you don't have cold air blowing through your ductwork too soon. So that's a super nice feature. All of these are going to run on a simple mechanical snap thermo disc, so that's really nice. No expensive replacement parts on this unit. It's got a nice large firebox, but before we get in the firebox, I'm going to show you this. They have this nice air system here. So when you go to reload your firebox, you're just going to open it up right here, and this is going to send the air backwards to go straight up the chimney. So that way when you go to load your firebox here, you're not going to get a big face full of smoke. Then you'll simply go here, unlatch your furnace. It's got a tight little latch. Let it sit there maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds, then you're good to go. You open it up, you get a nice little viewing area on here as well. Fully gasketed door. You can see this is a nice big firebox in here. It's going to hold a 23-inch log. This unit's going to burn about 10 hours or so. So this is super exciting. I have not seen this product yet in person. Ooh, I should also mention it does qualify for the 30% federal tax credit. So that is a wonderful selling point as well. So they do have a nice little glass door in there, which is good to be able to see the fire. Nice thick gaskets. You can see the flap for the wood here, but it does push up, so you have a nice big loading area. You can see that it is standard fire brick on the bottom, the sides. That's really nice for replacement parts. It does have the air tubes located at the top, so you're gonna get that secondary reburn. You do have an ash pan as well located here at the bottom of the unit that unscrews, so that's really nice to be able to pull your ashes out easy. This is going to be the draft that you will open before loading. So this would be closed. Before you go to load the fire, you're just going to open this up, and that is going to actually send the smoke backwards. Now this is going to be the top air tube here. When your draft blower kicks on, this is where it's going to push the air down through and into the firebox. That is going to create that excess airflow to heat up the firebox. I'm going to show you guys this temperature sensor as well up close. This is the sensor that's going to go inside your flue stack to measure those flue temperatures. Located here on the bottom of the unit is going to be your main blower system, which pushes the heat through the ductwork. Now this is going to be unique because this model does have a outside air kit, which most wood furnaces do not feature that option. I'm going to show you this. This is the nice little flap located on your draft blower. And then again, this is all just operated on very simple thermo discs. This is going to be your flue location. As per standard most furnaces, it's going to be a rear vent, so you come out the rear with a T to take you up vertical. Something else I want to show you guys on the furnace is these air gaps. This is nice because this is also what creates a natural convection heat that's simply going to rise out of here even without a blower, because that's what this inner stove body and the outer sheet metal creates. It creates a nice convection, and then your plenum is going to attach here to the top of the furnace. So this is going to be how it comes, just like this, and then your installer will shape the plenum to connect it directly into your ductwork. I hope you guys found this product overview helpful. Don't forget, if you guys like my videos, please give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.